Hey everyone, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your iPhone 12 Pro in a few different ways. So let's get started. Now, the simple and the easiest way is using your buttons. So you can either use the volume up or volume down button along with the side button. We're going to press and hold the volume up and the side button at the same time until we see the menu to slide to power off, and we can slide it over to turn it off. Now, the second method involves without the buttons. So this time we're going to go into our setting of our iPhone. From there on, we're going to go to general, scroll down until you see the shutdown. Same exact thing, you'll just slide to turn it off. And now if you don't want to use either of those buttons options, we can also use Siri. So in the main settings, ensure that Siri is turned on with Hey Siri or the side button. And then we can give Siri a command like this: Hey Siri, power down. Again, Hey Siri, power down.
Just to confirm, you want to power off this device?
Yes. And as you can see here, Siri can also help you turn off your iPhone. And after it's been turned off, if you want to turn it back on, we can just simply this time hold on to the side button until we see the Apple logo appear. So I'm just pressing and holding on to that side button just like that. And once you see the Apple logo, that means it's turning back on. Or you can also plug it into a charger that will also turn your iPhone 12 Pro back on, and you should be good to go. And that's how you turn off and turn on your iPhone 12 Pro. I hope this video is helpful. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.